What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the New Jersey area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in New Jersey.
So, we asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery in New Jersey? Golden Crust. Where is the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? And that came out to be D&D Caribbean Grocery. Congratulations to you. What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And that is Cafe Mobe. Congratulations to our winners there. And last but not least, what is the Jamaican / Caribbean annual event you miss attending the most due to COVID-19? And that is the South Jersey Caribbean Festival. Congratulations to all our winners there.